guys, what's up? It's Bianca. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit interesting considering I've been procrastinating doing this video for a while because I didn't want to try on this bathing suit that I've been trying to make look good on me for a really long time, and this is the part where I try on a bathing suit and I'm annoyed and hot and sweaty because it doesn't look good on me and I'm trying to make it look good, and what if it doesn't come out good, and what if I still hate the bathing suit? Yeah, okay.
So that's what happened in this video.
So obviously by the title of this video and the thumbnail of this video, I am making a bathing suit that I really didn't like, that kind of didn't really fit me so well, into something that fits me better, I like better, maybe? I don't know. Did I like it better? I don't know. You're just gonna have to watch and find out. So
I need to put a hat on.
I feel really like not myself right now.
I just want to cuddle up in my little beanie and go to Olive Garden because that's what Jordan and I are about to do in about 10 minutes. And I've never been to Olive Garden before because I'm Italian as heck, and why would I go to Olive Garden? But they have all these commercials on TV telling me that it's buy one get one free, buy a dinner, and then they're gonna send you home with another dinner, and then you probably have the leftovers of the dinner that you didn't even finish. So I'm like, oh my gosh, this is so much food for such a good price.
Count me in.
So we're going to Olive Garden, but before I eat all the carbs and actually don't fit in this bathing suit, I filmed a little something for you of buying all the ingredients to make this bathing suit better. This bathing suit I got from Shein, and I bought it in a size small because I am small on the top, but I am a medium on the bottom, and it's super annoying because you can't mix and match. So I've bought bathing suits from Zaful before, and I feel like Zaful and Shein are sister websites or something because they have a lot of the same things. So I bought this bathing suit in a small because I was like, you know what, the small fits me a little tight, but the medium top is so big that from Zaful I have both a small bathing suit and a medium bathing suit, and on the small it fits me pretty good. It's a little tight, but it fits me pretty good. The mediums, the bottoms fit me amazing, and the top is really big. So when I ordered from Shein this bathing suit, I just went with a small because I figure I'd rather it be smaller than bigger. That was stupid because honestly, after all of this, I should have just got the medium because I would rather it be bigger than smaller, because I don't like falling and flopping out of my bathing suit, and that's how I feel in this one. So we went to Joann's kind of a little while ago because, again, I said I was procrastinating this video, and here's some clips of me buying the ingredients for my bathing suit makeover. So I found these, and this was kind of my original vision to put on the sides of the bathing suit, and I would just have to, well, this is one long chain, and you would just have to snip this so it becomes two long chains, and then just measure the width or whatever. Realistically, it would be much easier to just do elastic or get another burgundy string, but I think the fun part is literally making an old bathing suit or a bathing suit that you're not happy with into something cooler. So my vision was chains. I don't know how practical it is because I will probably get burnt burnt by the chains in the sun, because when I used to have a belly ring, I used to always get like a red ring around the belly ring because it attracts the sun because it's metal. But I'm still gonna browse the store and find other things, so I guess we'll make up our mind. This says it's $7.99, but I'm sure I could find a coupon for it, so onward. So my original plan for this bathing suit was to have these gold chains like around the sides of the bathing suit. So I was like, oh, all right, I know that I hate these bottoms and they're suction cupping me, so maybe if I get like little bracelet gold chains situation and just like sew one of the chains on the front and sew one of the chains on the back on both sides, that will, one, make it bigger, and two, make it more cute. And the bathing suit's cute in general. It's just like a plain Jane bathing suit, but the bottoms are just so cheeky that I feel kind of uncomfortable in them, especially because I do have a bigger bottom than my top, so it feels weird wearing something that looks too small, although it does fit, but like, I can't explain it. Like, if the bathing suit just fit me properly, I think I would be more happy about it, but since it feels a little small, it feels like I'm trying to squeeze myself into this small bathing suit to like look bigger, or to like, I don't know, you know, sometimes when people buy a regular bottom bathing suit and then they pull it all the way up and like put the extra material like up their butt to make it a cheeky bathing suit instead of buying a cheeky bathing suit. That's kind of how this feels. There's like wrong excess material in the wrong places and then not enough material in the right places.
Does that make sense? So
that's the plan for this bathing suit, is to really just focus on the bottom, not the top, because the top fits me because the top is small and it's adjustable and the bottoms are not adjustable. I think this section of all the fun stuff that you kind of grab out and do per yard. And this is going to be cheaper anyway because this is $6.99 a yard, and honestly I only need a half a yard. I'm sure they could do that here. So I literally only need small pieces, and the chains that I'm thinking of, it's kind of going to be annoying. This will be a way easier because I could just tuck it. I'll show you guys in the next few clips, but I could just tuck it behind the bathing suit and sew it seamlessly nicely, and like I could tuck it. You'll understand what I'm saying once I get there. And this is also stretchy. Like, Jordan, hold this. Hold one end, please.
Holy Christ.
Okay, so this is also stretchy. Hold, pull. You see that? Oops.
Very good. All that yelling. I hope it got you far.
Oh god. Maybe I shouldn't get this. Maybe I shouldn't get it.
You think? It just ripped.
Alright, that was the stretch test. Oh god. Alright.
It's like that.
We're not getting this.
Shower straws.
We're not getting this. Oh my god, we're not getting this. Okay, that was the total fail. I was just really excited for no reason. Where did I find this? In the gold section. Okay, we're gonna put her back. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm stressed. Go back. Yeah. That's not how I'm stressed out now. I thought that was gonna be good because it was a little stretchy, but it's not elastic stretchy, it's rubber stretchy. Oh, now I'm not having a good time. I want to go home. Oh my god, now I have to find something else. Yeah, that was a flop. I'm a flop, Jordan, what can I say? Okay, so now it's time to make the bathing suit, so here we go with that. So the supplies you need for this little tutorial is an old bathing suit or a new bathing suit that doesn't fit, a sewing kit, some scissors, whatever thing you're going to use to make it bigger or to make it better, and that's really about it. Here's the part where you're kind of gonna measure things out and try to see what fits, what looks good, how it goes. So this is really a trial and error. This is don't cut first, don't do anything first, always measure twice, then cut, you know, that kind of deal. So you're gonna just take your things that you want to make it bigger, measure your waist, measure the bathing suit. If you know the bathing suit probably needs another 2 inches on you, put 1 inch on one side, 1 inch on the other side. You could kind of sort of try to understand and just play around with things until you find what works. Okay, so here's kind of the vibe I'm going for, just the bathing suit bottoms, and I cut the little strap in half so I can put both on each side equally. They're both equal. I just folded it in half. I didn't measure it, but this is the vibe. Totally the vibe. Okay. So now you have to just flip your bathing suit inside out, because if you're going to sew something, you should always sew the thing on the insides. Next, find the appropriate thread. So this purple one in here matched the best. At least in person it matched the best. For some reason on camera it looks way lighter, but it definitely is darker in real life. It'll do. So those are safety pins, and I usually just use safety pins to pin everything in place before I sew, because it's way easier to pin something and then sew it rather just freehand sew it, because you'll make a mess and things could get a little wonky. So here we are, just safety pinning where I'm going to sew the new straps. This is like basically a first draft of a research paper or something, so it's just a safety pin first, so that's what it's going to look like until you do the final draft, which is the sewing. So the sewing is just the needle and thread. I wish I could use my sewing machine, because oh my gosh, this would have taken literally 25 seconds, but it is what it is. God gave us hands for a reason. So we are sewing, just put the needle in and out. There's really no rhyme or reason except to try to keep the thread consistent in one line straight, and don't make huge gap chunks. Like, try to, if this makes any sense to you, put the needle really in, and then when you put the needle back into the other side, keep it as close to the part you just put it in from. Does that make any sense to you guys? It might not, but if the tighter the needle is to each other with the thread, the neater it'll look and less messy. Oh, I really hope that makes sense to you guys. I know I butchered that, but if you try to follow along here, you see? Maybe you could see. Also, that thread sticking out gets cut off later, because that's just what you knot at the end of your thread and needle. and it just gets cut off later, so don't worry about that or pay any attention to that. But what I was really trying to explain before is that the tighter you make your ins and outs, the neater it'll look. So you don't want something that you could have the thread seen. You want the thread to be as small as possible. But I really don't want to over explain and make things complicated for you guys, so if you want to look up another YouTube tutorial on how to easily sew, I think that's a better idea. But here's the new straps and the old straps coexisting together, because the new straps are sewn on, and I didn't cut the old straps off first because I really wanted some sort of guideline, but now we are going to go ahead and cut off the old straps. So easy as that. Go as close to the seam as possible as the one where you sewed the new strap on and cut off the old straps, and it is really as simple as that. So here I was kind of just experimenting, and I didn't really want to throw out the old straps, so I decided to kind of tie them around here and maybe make them cool and unique. I ended up taking them off after the fact because they were kind of annoying and like flopping all over the place, but you can repurpose all of your scraps, which I think is a really important thing in DIYing anything. So here is the bathing suit. Bada bing, bada boom, let's try it on. Okay, so in general, I really like the way that this looks way better. I don't know, it's kind of more seamless, and I love the champagne touch to it. Although I think it still was a little too tight, but I think I'm just being really dramatic because of how cheeky the actual behind is. And I don't know. I love it, but I don't love it. In this case, I'm still a little upset with the outcome. Usually when I DIY something or sew something or try to make something better, it always comes out really good and really better than I imagined. But this one in particular, I think that I was just so dissatisfied with the bathing suit, and I think I was just super, I don't know, I was in one of those moods where I'm like, I don't like the way that I look. I don't like the way my stomach looks. I don't like the way this. I feel weird here. Like, this is uncomfortable. It sucks, but sometimes like when you put the camera on and you're actually like analyzing yourself like that, you start really like getting deep into it and you're like,
It's just the bathing suit.
so maybe if anything, I could have helped one of you guys figure out how to recraft or re-DIY an old bathing suit or repurpose something in a better way. Although yours might come out better than mine because I just think I don't like this bathing suit. All in all, I think my biggest flaw was that I was too focused on looking for gold because I really wanted the gold sides of the bathing suit to match the gold embellishment and clips on the back of the top of the bathing suit that my brain totally was like and didn't get an elastic string bottom. But yeah, all in all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some sort of
inspo.
to the sake of, if you have a bathing suit that doesn't fit you, or if you have anything that doesn't fit you, you could kind of adjust it or make it your own. You don't have to like fall in love with something that you make. Everything is a trial and error, and I think the best thing is to just try, and if it fails, then it fails, and here we are. Like, who goes to say that just because I don't like the bathing suit because I feel kind of self-conscious in it because I didn't like it from the beginning, that you guys didn't like it? Like, you might like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and follow me over on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!